First, I draw a line 150 units long. Then another line 15 units to the left. Then a line 10 units downward. Then 10 units to the right. Then 10 units downward, and press Enter twice. I move down and draw a line 10 units to the right, then 10 units upward, then 10 units to the right, then 12 units upward. After that, I draw a circle using 2 points, starting from this point, with a diameter of 20. Next, I draw an arc with a radius of 35 by entering TK. Its start point is offset by 34 in the x direction and 67 in the y direction. Then I press Enter twice, select the second point, and enter the radius value 35. Next, I draw a circle tangent to 2 objects with a radius of 30. After that, I delete the parts I don't want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.